Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be guiding you about the differences between the two headphones, Logitech G933 versus Logitech G935. So both of them are pretty successful models, and I'll be guiding you to the point comparisons between the two headphones. So stay tuned with me. I'll be taking you to the differences section of the video. Difference number 1, noise cancellation. Logitech G933 has noise cancellation feature, whereas Logitech G935 has no noise cancellation option. So that makes Logitech G933 a noise cancellation headphone. Impedance. Impedance is the device electrical resistance to the current being pushed through it. The lower the impedance, the easier is it to get higher volume and require less power. So, Logitech G933 has 32 OHM, whereas Logitech G935 has 39 OHM, which makes Logitech G933 7 OHM lower impedance headphone than the other one. Difference number 3, whether it supports Dolby Digital or not. Logitech G933 supports Dolby Digital, whereas Logitech G935 doesn't support Dolby Digital. Apart, if you want to use it, then you have to use a device to connect to Dolby Digital. Difference number 4, microphone frequency. Logitech G933 has 20,000 Hz of frequency, whereas Logitech G935 has 10,000 Hz of microphone frequency, which makes Logitech G933 10,000 Hz higher frequency headphones than the other one. Difference number 5, inline control panel. Logitech G933 has inline control panel, whereas Logitech G935 has no inline control panel. So these were the differences, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel.